anybody going through it is always a little scary, but especially as a single woman, I really felt like through the whole journey there was, you know, somebody there always one step ahead of me. My name is Stephanie Amous. I'm in the Ironstone community, me and my 3 boys. I chose a to-be-built home because it was more in my time frame. I got to pick out all of my colors and flooring and all the fun things. The most memorable part of the journey was probably the day that we actually signed the papers. Our saleswoman, Mackenzie, took us to the house, and it had already been framed, so me and the boys all got to take fun pictures in front of the house. Working with Mackenzie was amazing. She always kept me updated. I never had to ask her. She would send me pictures. I never had to ask, hey, what's going on with the house? There was hardly any time that I was questioning anything. Everybody was just there. The team just worked together so well. My only experience with the warranty department so far was right before closing, where they came in and just explained everything to me. That was another huge plus for me. Just knowing that there is a warranty department that's there for me is huge. I would most definitely recommend Homes by Tabor to my friends and family. As a matter of fact, I already have started.